Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the damage precisely. Is it a surface scratch, a chip into primer, or rust-eating metal? Sand rough edges with 320 grit to feather paint. This creates a gradual edge so new paint bonds. Once done, clean with solvent and let dry. Make sure there's no wax. Mask surrounding areas and apply primer only where bare metal or plastic shows. This ensures adhesion and prevents rust, so the repair lasts. You now focus on building a smooth base. Sand the primed area with 600 grit to remove ridges and create tooth. Apply 1 to 2 thin primer coats. Allow 10-15 minutes flash time between coats so solvent evaporates and you avoid runs. When the primer is dry, check your color match under natural light. If needed, mix small amounts or use the OEM code. Once matched, apply paint in thin passes. Overlap each pass. You finish by applying clear coat in 2 to 3 thin layers, holding about 6 to 8 inches away. This protects the color and adds gloss. Make sure to flash 8 to 12 minutes between passes so the film sets. After curing, wet sand with 1,500 then 2,000 grit to remove imperfections, then polish with a compound and finish with wax for protection. If you see runs or orange peel, let cure, sand the area smooth. Then reapply clear or polish to restore shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.